Outdoor guppy tub project tape 3. Alright, so we've had a very cool late spring, early summer, and I know it's not officially summer, but it is meteorological summer, and our lows have been dipping into the 50s here in the last today, and it'll be tomorrow. The white clouds love it. The guppies I put in here don't really necessarily like it. Not as active. But if you hear that trickle, I now have got two stock tanks from Tractor Supply. So the Tough Stuff 40 gallons. And one of the issues I'm going to have with these is they're not super deep. They're about, a foot deep, maybe a foot and a half. And I can see this getting pretty stagnant, getting pretty hot. And so one of the questions is, well, can I get something out here that when it gets hot and sunny, that we can get the water breaking up a little bit to add more surface breaks or whatever? And the answer is yes. Apparently they do have solar generated water fountain thingies that are for bird baths and things like this. And it's a pretty cloudy day today. I would say the cloud cover is probably about 50 to 60%, sometimes 100. And this thing started going in cloudy. It was pretty low, but now it's getting pretty much to its highest point there. And I don't need any higher. I mean, look, I got fence there, fence there. If I get any higher, it's going to shoot out of the thing, so that's perfect. I put the male guppies out here too. These are juvenile male guppies in here. They're just starting to form their gonopodiums. A little bit lethargic. Temperature out here is probably about 68. Tub's probably about 68, 69. That is actually the temperature they hang out at home inside the house, about 65 to 68 degrees. Nothing in here yet. I got a few rocks in there. I wanted to put pea gravel in there, but whatever. I got a lot of creeping jennies, so creeping jenny there. Found some creeping jenny at the Walmart. Here's a plant I got from Ace. There's my other guy. Inside here is a water wisteria, which is both a underwater plant and an above water plant. So I'm going to try and see what happens if I plant it underwater and then see what kind of leaves come out of it underwater. And then we see if it keeps these cool leaves on top. In here, I took a couple sprouts from that water wisteria and threw some rocks on top of it and see if they'll grow that way too. Some more creeping jennies here on this side, because this side is going to be the sun in the morning. And also this is the side that faces our neighbors, since they probably want to see something cool looking. And I got these two flowers from Lowe's, ready to fill or whatever. Throw them in some kind of container, and I'll probably put that out in front of here. Kind of line this up, kind of even with the ledge. So those kind of hide the front of the tub over here. I still need this little area to walk through to get to these guys, and if this goes successful, this might be a permanent little area for a garden. And maybe I'll start filling in the gap here with some rock or mulch and level it out better and get a better system going back here. But this is just a project. It's turning into a slightly expensive project. Oh, also got some water wisteria from the local Super Saver. They had some sitting in their pond area. Bought a couple of those for about $4.50 each. Probably can get them free from anywhere, but I'm kind of what is that called? An introvert. So there we go.